right heroes could make all the difference.
Ooh! Pick me! Pick me! Please!
Round one, go! Get ready. There's a cold snap coming. They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Lights out. Welcome to the Dark Force dimension.
Dagger a lot. Coordinated jackets and capes. I like it.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for the boost. That hurt.
Tandy needs help.
Much better.
Better stop that vehicle. I wasn't sure we'd get this chance again. They've made it halfway. Stop them.
You really didn't deserve the fireworks.
That was way too close.
I feel like myself again.
There's still a chance to stop them. Get ready. Here come the bad guys. I'll get you next time. Glad to help.
Feeling way better already.
Us against the world! They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Everybody needs a hand step.
Lights out.
I feel like myself again.
It's my time to shine.
What a curious place.
Just embrace the light.
Elastic and fantastic! Ha ha!
Still here. Don't you put me out.
On the move! My daughter's blessing! This is real firepower! Magneto!
Don't let them do this, Tandy.
Help. So cold.
Welcome to the Dark Force dimension.
Don't mind me. I'm just dying.
Double KO! They've made it halfway! Stop them! Better stop that vehicle! Ouch! That hurt! Stop everyone! Hold still! I'm trying to help! Help never hurt!
myself again.
Glad to help. There you are. You stopped them in their tracks.
Tandy needs help. Lights out.
Stand down again!
Us against the world. Got a shield, Tandy.
My time to shine. A beam of light. Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
That is the spot.
Lights out.
My time to shine.
Thanks for the boost.
Lights out.
Just embrace the light. So cold. Only 60 seconds left.
Time for a glow up!
My time to shine.
Fear Magneto!
Odds were stacked against you, Jubilee.
Mucho mejor.
Down to 30 seconds. They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. That's good for Still here. Don't you put me out. Better stop that vehicle! A show of light! It's now or never! Stop them! Us against the world! They're coming to
Lights out. You fight me. You fight the dark.
Only 60 seconds left!
Elastic and fantastic! Oh! Ha-ha! Here they come! I feel like myself again.
Down to 30 seconds!
Hello there!
I wasn't sure we'd get this. Don't give them another inch! Or else. The final 10 seconds! Just embrace the light! No winner yet! Going to overtime! The current score is 0-2. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear. was a close one. 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You are the human who wishes to rise to the level of the world's most elite villains? I am unimpressed.
Says the guy who went from being one of the most feared mutants alive to an old softie. What happened, bruh?
I learned over time that fear is not nearly as powerful.
The battle starts in 5, 4,
That's where you
3,
went wrong, my
2,
Watch your
1.
guard.
You owe me one.
That's better.
Hold still. I'm trying to help. Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
I feel like myself again.
Well, looky here.
You owe me one. Way better already. Us against the world! The heart and it's up to us to perform. A flow of life! Time for a blow-up!
Lights out. Suffering dark. Back up under
My time vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
You really should have known better.
Yo, check it out.
Arako's in trouble, but I know we can save it.
Mucho mejor.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
I feel like myself again.
My time to shine.
Your powers are mine!
Help never hurt. You're halfway there. Keep going.
Magneto!
I am Phoenix. My time to shine. Just embrace the light.
Fantastic! Ha ha! Whoa! Ha ha!
My time to shine. You owe me one. Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Gotta shut extra corruption down.
I feel like myself again.
Mucho mejor.
You haven't lost your touch, Eric.
Lights out. Suffering no darkness.
My time to shine. Almost there. Don't forget now. Glad to help. Hold still. I'm trying to help. Vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. Please, we're hurt. its benefits too, Hood.
Compared to me, you're an amateur, Castle.
Get over here and help me push through.
A foe has revealed themselves.
That's what I needed.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
Your powers are mine!
Face oblivion!
Oroco needs a hard Just embrace the light.
You are finally free, Jubilee.
Glad to help.
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
War is hell.
I'm back to shed some light. Get that vehicle moving again!
Fantastic! Ha-ha!
Full of light. Glad to help. A full of light. Feeling way better already. You owe me one.
Thanks for the boost. You haven't lost your touch, Eric.
Us against the world! Glad to help. Good chance! Final score, 3-2-2. Another epic victory! Big win! You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. We too make quite the pair, Susan.
For once, even you are out of your depth, dear Doctor.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Check it out. You ain't the only one here with the magic cape, Strange. Curious who's more powerful?
Not even slightly, Mr. Robbins. You are dealing with forces most mortals cannot even begin to comprehend.
Don't need to understand them, Doc. As long as I could use them to get what
The
I
battle starts in 5,
Assure you,
4,
you
3,
are not the one using
2,
them.
1.
They just want you to believe.
Self-guided
Let's
strike.
get that vehicle to its destination.
I have not seen so many spiders since... Never mind. For that. Power beyond sight! Yggdrasil will not survive without our help. Go! Enemy in front of us! Power beyond sight!
Double KO!
Good medicine! Power beyond sight!
El amigo Ant está destruido.
Systems restoring. You're halfway
Mortal
there.
pain
Keep
is no
going.
match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
There you are.
Shields up.
Good medicine!
Face oblivion!
Destroy these Aunts where you find them. No symbol of Khonshu can resist Doctor Strange.
You get a weapon! You get a weapon! You get a weapon!
We can always count on you, Spidey.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Power beyond sight!
I got your back.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Good medicine!
Watch out, they're headed our way.
Khonshu's gonna be pissed.
The moon haunts you!
Trying to help?
The moon haunts you! Say goodnight.
Hands are shaking again. Focus.
I saw right through you, Hood.
1,000 gods!
Ionic magic! Good medicine!
Disappear!
Yo soy el final!
Master, the world's free rivers! Without Spider-Man, New York has lost its heart. I have not seen so many...
Shields up.
I am strengthened for battle. By the eye of Agamotto! Power beyond sight!
You're halfway there. Keep going.
An unseen assist!
The moon haunts you!
Here's an eye.
Wounds are gone.
That's 3.
The doctor is in.
Only 60 seconds left.
What am I? Invisible?
I am strengthened for battle.
Space oblivion!
These
I hit the spot.
Anyone willing to help?
mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
The final 10 seconds! Nowhere yet. Going to overtime!
An
Disappear!
unseen assist!
That's a bad look!
1,000 gods! 1,000 gods! Slice and dice! You're sorted!
The mystic arts won't fail me again. I'm opening a portal. A shortcut through space.
Double KO! The current score is 1-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2, go!
We too make quite the pair, Susan.
Ionic Burst! They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Hey, Jubes. Ready to make with the path?
You bet. And you even got the automatopoeia right.
Of course I did. I know exactly how annoying it is when I go thwip thwip and someone says I went pew pew.
Wow. You really took that a lot more seriously than I expected.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
I am strengthened for battle. Ionic magic! Enemy in front of us. Power beyond sight! I am strengthened for battle.
I didn't get that one there, did I?
Every arc will be destroyed. An unseen assist. I am strengthened for battle. Power beyond sight! I have not seen so many spiders since... Never mind. Without Spider-Man, New York has lost its heart. An unseen assist! Yo soy el final! By the eye of Agamotto!
Ah, they're in my head!
Bionic magic! I am here to help.
Only 60 seconds left.
Love battlefield medicine. You will...
The doctor is in.
There's still a chance to stop them.
A thousand gods!
Down to 30 seconds.
Their attack is almost... An unseen assist!
The final 10 seconds. They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
The wounds are gone. Thanks.
The mystic arts won't fail me again.
Standing by.
The moon! I am strengthened for battle.
Someone's controlling me.
As good as new. Slice and dice!
Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
Final score 1-2-2. Well, you can't expect to win them all.